Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be cooking something a little different, liver. I know some of you might be a little hesitant to try this unique ingredient, but trust me, it's absolutely delicious when cooked right. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to make a garlicky milk soaked liver dish with some Kenyan spices. And these are the spices and the flavors. Plus, we'll be serving it up with a Kenyan staple food called Ugali. So get ready for a flavor-packed meal. First thing first, we need to soak the liver in milk. This will help to remove any bitterness and make it more tender. So place the liver in a bowl and pour over the milk. Let it soak for at least 30 minutes. I had already done this and let's get right into the video. While the liver is soaking, let's prepare the other ingredients. In a pan, saute the diced or chopped onions until they're translucent, then add in chopped coriander and diced tomatoes. Cook for a few minutes until everything is soft and fragrant. When I said Kenyan flavors and a Kenyan twist, I meant adding these beef Royco cubes that I absolutely love in my food. They just make your food taste more tastier, I'll say that. And of course, I added some salt to give it that oomph, or rather to season. Stir everything together and cook for a few minutes until the tomatoes are completely cooked. I didn't cook ugali in this video, but make sure to watch out my next video for full recipe. I know you've seen me stir a lot in this video, but it was all required because I needed these tomatoes to look exactly as they're looking. It's time to add in your liver now and make sure to remove any excess milk if possible. For me, it doesn't really matter. I love to cook it without the milk, of course. I drained it, but it didn't completely come out. Again, stir everything well together. Rather, just mix everything as thoroughly as you can. If you have a big cooker or like a 4-burner cooker, while the liver is cooking, I'll recommend that this is the right time to make your ugali. Ugali is a Kenyan staple food made from cornmeal and water. In a pot, just bring 2 cups of water to a boil. Slowly add in 1 cup of cornmeal while stirring constantly to avoid any lumps. Keep stirring until the mixture becomes thick and dough-like. Well, I didn't show you that here, but make sure to watch out my next video to see the full recipe. Our food is ready, and the salt was not to my liking, so I added a bit of that. For this step that I'm showing you, you can garnish. That is, you can garnish your liver afterwards. That is after you've plated your food. But I just love to add my corianders while the food is still in the pot. To serve, just scoop the ugali onto a plate and place the liver on top. Garnish with some fresh coriander and enjoy. And there you have it, guys, a delicious and unique recipe for cooking liver. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new today. Don't be afraid to try new ingredients and flavors in the kitchen. You might just surprise yourself. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.